With the system now laid out, I'll start plumbing and installing the individual components. The first component in our system is going to be a 100 micron sand filter. It does not have a bracket, it is simply supported by the plumbing. And again, our system is flowing from right to left, so we'll make sure that the inlet is on the right and the outlet is on the left. Next, I'll start to assemble the 5-micron particulate filter. Now I can take the buildup for the particulate filter and line it up with my plumbing. It is ideal to try to get 2 of the holes into a stud. The other 2 can be supported by drywall anchors. Next, I need to prep my male adaptions for the particulate filter. I'll start with 5 or 6 wraps of Teflon tape and follow up with some thread sealant. For thread sealant, we recommend True Blue by Rector Seal. It should be available at all of your big box stores. I'll start by installing the 100 micron sand filter and cover. Next, I can install the sediment filter to the sump of the particulate filter and screw it on. Hand tighten and then follow up with the wrench.